and bienvenue. This is Deepthi, Director of Here and Now, the French Institute. I welcome you once again to another sub-series on Happy Learning French. The name of the series is Pronoms Relatifs. It consists of 3 episodes. Part 1, Pronoms Relatifs Simple, qui, que, ou, dont. Part 2 is an exclusive on pronom dont. And part 3 is Pronoms Relatifs Composés. So let's get into the first part, les pronoms relatifs simples. This episode is divided into 4 parts. Part 1, the definition of pronoms relatifs. Part 2, the only 4 pronoms relatifs, which are qui, que, ou, and dont. Part 3 is how to use them. Let's see some examples. Now let's start with the part 1, the definition of les pronoms relatifs simples. In our previous French pronoun videos, we have already seen what a pronoun is. Pronoun is one of a class of words that serves to replace a noun phrase that has already been or is about to be mentioned in a sentence or a context. In simple words, pronoun is a word used to replace a noun. So now you know what a pronoun is. Let's see the meaning of relative. Since the word is very transparent as in English, you wouldn't need much explanation. It is very evident that a pronoun allows to create a link between 2 sentences. For example, la femme que tu vois au bout de la rue est ma professeure de français. The woman that you see at the end of the road is my French professor. Que in this sentence is a pronoun relative. Here, there are 2 sentences earlier which are joined together by using the pronoun relative que to form a single sentence. Let's get deep into it. Origin of the sentences. Tu vois une femme au bout de la rue? You see a lady at the end of the road? Elle est ma professeure de français. She is my French professor. Let's join these 2 sentences together using a pronoun relative que. La femme que tu vois au bout de la rue est ma professeure de français. I hope you've understood what a relative pronoun is. Don't worry, you don't have to understand how we joined the 2 sentences or why we have used que to join the 2 sentences. We will see it in a while during the part 2 and 3 of this video. All you need to know at this juncture is a relative pronoun is a word that links 2 sentences together.